Heater won't start. Could be the filter, could be a plugged outlet, or it could be a plugged vent. But in my case, it was a dirty heat sensor, and you need to just clean it off and put it back in. Here I'm using just a foam sanding block or fine grit, and showing a way to put the screw in so you can reach up in there. And if this doesn't work, you're going to need to call your HVAC technician. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day. God eat.